discussing the lesson Healthy Life by Pedro Pablo Sacristan. As the saying goes, health is wealth. People many years were strong and healthy. They ate varieties of vegetables and fruits. They did a lot of exercises by either walking, running, playing and leaping about or doing manual work. The earth was the healthiest place you could ever imagine. They breathed clean, fresh air. The people around us, including adults and children, were healthy, happy, and were in good moods. All this made one of the witches, which means magical wicked woman, furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. What is this potion? Potion means a liquid with poisonous properties. Why she is going to prepare a potion? Because she has evil intention behind that. That is, one who drinks it would lose the desire to live. Oh my God, how cruel and bad she is. So that night, all the witches gathered in the forest. She has invited all witches to fulfill this cruel plan of her. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell. Spell means to use this magic on people. Now all are gathered here. Not only one wicked woman, she is united with many witches, many bad women. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering. Uttering means to say some words. She has made some mistake. As a result, there was a big explosion. Her mistake was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. Are you all excited what will happen next? Okay, we'll continue with that in the next video.